Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you where to find the reset button on your RE water heater and how to use it safely when your unit shuts down or stops heating properly. Once hot water starts flowing again after the reset, that means the internal safety controls have restarted successfully. The reset button is designed to trip when the heater overheats or detects a system fault, protecting the unit from damage. Before pressing anything, safety always comes first. Turn off power to the water heater at the circuit breaker, and if you have a gas model, switch the gas control to the off position. The reset button location depends on the heater type. On tankless models, it's usually behind the front cover panel on the control board. On gas tank heaters, look behind the small access door near the bottom, close to the gas control valve. On electric water heaters, the reset button is hidden behind the upper access panel, usually covered by insulation near the thermostat. Once located, press and hold the small red reset button for a few seconds until you feel or hear a click. Wait a few minutes for the system to stabilize, then restore power. For gas heaters, relight the pilot according to the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, test the heater by running hot water at a faucet. If the reset button keeps tripping, that's a warning sign of a deeper issue like a faulty thermostat or heating element, and a professional technician should inspect the unit.